Oh yeah, there we go. There's a fish. We got a fish. We got ourselves a hog, another hog. Yeah, fish out. San Marcos smallmouth right there. Oh, and he spit it. Gills, if it's got gills and fins and swims, it's a fish, and that's what we're doing, is we're fishing. All right, we getting in the water. We're up in Martindale, San Marcos River. Getting in with my old man. You'll see him soon. Jumping in the water. John and John, let's do this. Little carp or a catfish. Yeehaw! Definitely gonna be fishing here somewhere. Oh, there we go. There we go. Fish on, fish on. We got a little guy. We got a little guy. Oh, he's the littlest, cutest bass around. The skunk has been lifted. We got ourselves a lunker, guys. He's a cutie. I haven't caught a bass that small in a while. Jeez Louise. Oh yeah! Woo! Sunfish. There we go. I was waiting to see some sunfish in there. That's like what we catch all day long up in the other section river. All right, little fella. There we go. Nice. There we go. Both got the skunk off at least.
Yeah. All right, fella.
Woo! There he goes. Nice one.
That was worth it. Yeah,
Cattle tap. Yeah. Go. There we go. Now we're picking up some steam. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh no, he can't. No, he's on there. Woo!
Yeah, biggie.
We got ourselves a hog, another hog. We got a hog on board. Oh, he's a bluegilly gill. Here's a little guy. Little guy.
So that you don't get water.
Well, I mean, it doesn't get too cold here, but those, yeah, those like breathable. Oh, there we go. Fish on. All right. Oh,
shit.
Dang it. Oh yeah, no problem. Light as a feather.
Yeah.
Woo! Adventure time. Yeah, adventure time. All right, on the left, but you gotta watch it. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got a fish. We got a fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, big sunfish. Big sunfish. Ouch. There we go. We got him. Big sunfish. Oh yeah, he's big as my hand. And there he goes. And there he goes. Oh geez, there we go. Fish on. Fish on. Woo! Oh, and he spit it. Yee-hoo!
Oh yeah, he's a monster. He's at least 2 inches, I think.
Yeah, fish out.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, no, he's more than 2 inches. Look at that. Not a
Yes.
bad one, not a bad one. Come here, little fella. Thank you so much. That was a lot of fun. There you go, bud.
There we go. Now we're getting some numbers.
Man, I'm so excited. I can't stand up.
Oh yeah, there we go. There's a fish. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, yeah. Stay down, stay down. Do not come out of there. Oh! Oh, he's a smallmouth. That's my first San Marcos smallmouth. You! Oh! Stay in the boat, stay in the boat. He's a smallmouth.
Loaded this morning.
Oh, that's cool. First San Marcos smallmouth right there. All right. There we go, guys. There we go. Swim off. There we go. Got a fish.
Oh yeah, he's a monster. I can see. Ooh, he's swimming all around. Oh yeah, we got another sunfish. Another sunfish. Come on, baby.
There we go.
Thank
If
you
it's
so
got
much.
gills, if it's got gills and fins and swims, it's a fish, and that's what we're doing is we're fishing. Nice. Nice. Yeah, it seems like a stretchy fishy river. Stretch of fishiness. Dude, as soon as it went into water, right in that brush right there. Oh yeah. Stay down, stay down. Right up against the, I mean, it was like as soon as it hit the water. Must have landed right on top of them. Stay in the water. There we go. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! We got a largemouth. He's a good one. All right. Yeah, decent fish. Cheers to the Lone Star State. Oh, all right. Right up that middle spot right there. No problem. Oh jeez.
Paddle hard, paddle hard, paddle hard, paddle hard.
Yeah. Threw back. Look at you doing tricks. That's a good trick, man. Good trick, Dad. Good trick.
I rode a pirogue down the bayou.
Bumper boat! Bumper boat! No, turbo boost. There we go. There we go. Fish. He ain't a big one, but he ain't a little itty bitty one either. There we go. We're gonna put him back down to go back into his happy place. All right, happy place. Right up against that wood. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got another fish on. Got another one. Got another dinky. Oh, there he goes. Hey, where's the damn dam?
Huh?
Where's the damn dam?
We got a little ways to go.
Still got a little way.
Yeah, for sure.
We were like, this is my first time coming down through this stretch, and I was like, how long is it to paddle from like Spencer's?
Yeah.
He's like, oh, if you're paddling a couple hours, you know, and we're on like hour 5 or something.
Right, like that last rapid back there, it gets wide and really like deep.
Yeah.
So from here on out, it's gonna be this like this.
Right, running up to the dam, right? Okay.
There's a bunch of fish there.
That was a little bit longer than we had thought, but we made it. We're getting out right past the bridge. That was a good day on the old San Marcos River.
Yeah, I mean, it really is nice.
That took some muscle getting down this last stretch for sure. The damn, y'all.